Today I'd like to show you how to make a llama chair out of an old footstool. For this project you'll need a footstool, faux fur, an off-cutter foam, scissors, a sewing machine and a few other simple household things. Start by cutting a long strip that fits around your footstool but is wide enough to allow a seam allowance and long enough to wrap all the way around with a little bit of excess. Using your footstool, you can trace around it upside down to create the first circle and then make a second circle for a little bit of seam allowance. Once these are cut out, you can then research what you'd like your llama to look like. I wanted my neck to be quite long, so I cut the foam to what I thought might look good. I positioned it on the chair, then started imagining the pattern needed. I cut out two sides of the head and neck and then started drafting the centerpieces, which will become the face, backside of the neck and the throat. As you can see here, all my pieces are laid out, including 4 ear pieces and 2 tail pieces. I then start by sewing the head together. Unfortunately, I didn't create a pattern for you to follow for this one, but if you've made one of my teddy bears before, then you might be able to piece your own together. Next, I need to cut out a circle to attach the head to the body and sew the long strip to the round circle. Once you've done this, you then need to attach the tail and sew and cut the extra from the long strip and sew down to enclose that over the footstool. Most of the time when I hand make my teddy bears, I hand sew around it all. With this one, I've been using machine and it's been working quite well. The next step is to look at the eyes and nose placement. I've made a mark where I want my eyes to be. I use safety eyes to make them safe for babies and toddlers. The next step is to sew the ears on and sew the bottom of the long strip to the base of the footstool, and then it's all finished. I hope you loved this tutorial, and I'm sorry if there's not enough information, but I've just tried to show you through video how you can also create this at home. Happy crafting, everyone!